Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am officially decorating for Christmas and I am so excited to share this process with you. This is the first Christmas in our new house. We moved in February and I'm just really excited to make it all Christmassy and decorate. So we're gonna start with the trees, I think. Mom's here, she's gonna help me decorate, and my brother's here. He has his own podcast. You guys have probably heard me talk about him a little bit, but anyways, we're going to decorate the house. So if you guys want to see some Christmas inspiration, then just keep watching. Here's what we're starting with. I've got so many totes. I've got a new Christmas tree. I thought this was a 7.5 foot, but it's actually 6.5. So I'm gonna put my old tree in the living room and see if I can make it work. But I've got 3 trees and then a couple totes of Christmas stuff. So we are going to get it decorated. Mom started on the tree. And then here's the kitchen. It's pretty bare. Brooks woke up this morning and he said we were gonna put up the Christmas tree. So that's what we're doing. We decided to start with the living room Christmas tree. I actually got this tree last year at Hobby Lobby. It's a 9-foot tree and I love how dense it is. It's a very tall, slim tree and I think it's just really pretty. It also has pine cones built in, so if I can find that tree, I will link it down below if you guys are interested. But it also comes in 3 sections, which makes it really easy to put up and to decorate. So got that tree up, and then I wanted to hold off on lights because Mom actually had some lights for me, so we just left that one as is and moved on into the office. So this tree was actually the very first tree that Taylor and I bought whenever we first got married. I got this one from At Home. It's super full, not as dense, but it flows to the ground. So it's a really pretty tree, and I thought it would be perfect for the front window, so whenever it's dark out at night, you can see it all lit up. And we went ahead and decorated this one. I don't have any specific ornaments for it. It was just kind of a catch-all tree, but it ended up having silver and gold on it, and that's the kind of the ornament theme. I also have some fleece kind of fur material ribbon that I put on there, and I also just put on white lights. And having a good time. All right, one tree down and decorated. We just have to get some more lights to go on the top, and I need to get some more filler pieces, and I've got a whole tote of ornaments left I need more hooks for. So that is that tree. I need to figure out something for the top too. Yeah, I need a lot more fillers, but this is an extra tree that I just put whatever on. So there it is. And then over here, I just have my office stuff. I'm gonna straighten all of this up and try to make that look a little bit better, since this is the first thing you see as you come into our front door. So try to do something with that. And then I'll put some more extra decorations in there. So okay, it looks like we are moving out or something, but we are gonna rearrange some of the furniture in our room. We're gonna move this faux fireplace over to that wall. I'm gonna put the tree in that corner over there. I'm gonna take the fiddle fig leaf tree probably down, change it all out for Christmas. I'm gonna put my new comforter on and get it nice and Christmassy in here. I went ahead and put up my Christmas tree for our bedroom. I got this one last year at Walmart and it was half off right after Christmas. I think it was normally $179 and I got it half off, so not too bad. I love the flock tree. If I could have every tree in my house flocked, I think I would do it. I just think it looks really farmhousey and just really bright, and I just love it. So I also used a fur rug as my tree skirt for this one, and then I went ahead and took off all the bedding. I pulled out my sheets from the dryer. I had washed them earlier today, and I was talking to Taylor. If you see me talking to someone, he had just gotten home from work, so I just went ahead and made the bed and got it all ready to go.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin
After I put my sheets and base comforter on, I went ahead and opened up my new comforter that I got this year at Kohl's. You guys won't believe what kind of crazy deal I got this comforter for. It's from the brand The Big One, and I ended up getting it on sale, plus I had $30 Kohl's cash, so I only paid $27 for this comforter. I couldn't believe it. I was so excited, but anyways, I just had it pulled back, and fun fact, it actually has a fuzzy fleece material completely lining the back side, so it's really cozy. And then I ordered some red shams to go on my Euro size pillows, and I'm putting those on. I think it was $13 for the set from Amazon, so I'll link those down below in case you have Euro sized pillows that you want to change out the pillowcases on.
The first for you and me.
And then I got this really cute pillow from TJ Maxx. It says Merry Christmas to all and to all a good night. I thought that was very fitting for our bedroom. And then I also picked up this red throw blanket just to have on the end of the bed. I thought that added a cozy touch.
To have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere.
Okay, it's a lot later now. We actually just got home from church and I put Brooks down for bed, so it's the perfect time to continue decorating now that I don't have a little one at my heels. But I'm putting this little countdown to Christmas sign up. That was from the Target dollar spot this year. And then I'm just working on the ribbon on our tree in the bedroom. I actually got this ribbon from Walmart this year. It came in a pack of 2, so it had the red and then the buffalo check, and I think it was $8.98. And I ended up having to get 2 of those to put on this tree. This tree is 6.5 feet, so just for reference, in case you guys are wondering, ribbon just doesn't go very far. I don't know, I don't even feel like I tuck my ribbon in like that tight, so I don't know what I was doing, but it took a ton of ribbon to fill this little tree up.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
Okay, here's a sneak peek of the living room. I added the lights and a couple ornaments to the tree. I lost the footage somehow, but it is halfway done. I ran out of lights, so I had to stop. And then we actually got a new bookshelf. This one is from Target. I'll link it down below. But I love how sleek and like modern farmhouse it looks. So I just put up a Christmas tree sign from Hobby Lobby, and then this cute little ho 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 sign. This one's from Big Lots. It was only $3. And then another sign from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I went ahead and started in the kitchen. I love putting stuff above my cabinets. I think it just adds like a really neat visual effect. So I just put some greenery up there. And then I got this cute little letter board, and I found this saying at Walmart, which was kind of random, but it says, "We wish you a Merry Christmas," and it's kind of in the shape of a tree. So I thought that was really cute, and I'm just putting it all in there to get it ready to go.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
Okay, now I'm getting all of my Ray Dunn mugs out. I keep all of my Ray Dunn stuff in this cabinet down below, and I'm just gonna get everything out, see what I have. I ended up not using a lot of it though, which is kind of surprising. I might try to sell it, I'm not really sure, but I don't know about you guys, but it takes me forever to get the things on my countertops exactly how I like it. Like, I will put things in, take it out constantly, and I probably will change it even like once a week, so bear with me on that. Is anyone else like that, or is it just me?
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
good enough for now. I ended up changing it even before I edited this video, but now I'm gonna work on my little 3-tiered tray in the kitchen. I didn't have a whole lot for this or the blanket ladder, so I kind of just skipped it for the night, and I did put my Grove basket out and these 3 Rae-Dunn bowls. I just kind of stacked them with other Rae-Dunn bowls and put some greenery in there, and then added a couple of different Rae-Dunn pieces throughout the kitchen and added some Christmas trees. So that's all I did there. These cute little magnets. The first one is from the Target Dollar Spot and the other 2 are from Hobby Lobby. I think they're so cute. And then here's what the dining room table is looking like. This took me so much maneuvering. It's not even funny, but I love the little riser that's in the middle. I got that at a craft fair this year, and I think it's a really nice touch. Alright, here's how the bookshelf is ending up looking like. It's definitely tentative to change. I want to find a really pretty nativity scene, so if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. And here's how the fireplace and the tree is looking. I've definitely incorporated gnomes into my decor this year, and I love them. I think they're so cute. Are you a fan of the gnomes? I feel like they're kind of Rae-Dunn inspired. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. But now I'm just gonna organize all of my blankets on my couch. I kind of maneuvered with this a little bit, and it's still not exactly how I want it, but I did find some Rae-Dunn pillows that said Merry and Christmas. I really wanted to have pops of red since our living room is kind of neutral toned. So here's an overview of how the couch turned out. I want to get a couple more pillows. I did add a white fur one to the right hand side, so it evened it out. It was driving me nuts. But anyways, it's the next day, and I decided to get a little tree for my dining room. I found this one at Walmart, and it was only, I think, $35 for a 6-foot flocked tree. So if you are interested in one that's a little bit slimmer but still flocked, check out Walmart. They've got really good deals. Look what Mom found at TJ Maxx. Oh my goodness. I was so excited. If you guys are into Rae-Dunn, you know how hard it is to get your hands on any Christmas Rae-Dunn pieces, or at least it is for my area. So I was so excited. And then my mom and dad came over that night, so dad was just helping me with the lights. Unfortunately, Taylor was working a little bit late, so I just went ahead and put up the extra lights that I needed towards the top of the tree. And then to give my tree a little bit more of a flocked look, I got these flocked looking picks at Hobby Lobby. They were normally 99 cents, and with their half off Christmas sale, they were 50 cents a piece. So that's a good way to incorporate some white into your tree if you need it. Next, I found these merry little mugs. Oh, I died for this. And then another lady found this for me. I'm so thankful. I think it is so sweet that someone would even think to pick up a Rae-Dunn piece and, you know, ask me, hey, do you need this? Because it is so hard to find stuff around here. So I was so thankful that people have done that. It makes me so happy, and definitely want to return the favor. Alright, now we're heading into Brooks's room. He loves this little light up reindeer that my mother-in-law gave me. So he wanted to keep the small one in his room. So I'm letting him, and I'm just putting up his little tree and adding his ornaments to it. I thought he might want to help me, but he was not interested at all tonight, so I just went ahead and did it myself.
It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I want to sing about the Christmas.
I did want to change up his bedding a little bit, so I got him a really cute pillowcase that says "Baby, it's cold outside," and a blanket from Kohl's. This is the brand, the big one, and it just has little trucks with Christmas trees in the back of it. And then this Merry and Bright pillow is from the Target dollar spot this year. I think it's just so cute and adds a festive little touch to his room.
It's the time of year, winter wonderland.
I also wanted to decorate Brooks's bathroom for Christmas, so I got him a new shower curtain. I actually found it at Big Lots for $10, and I thought that it was a really good deal. It's got the shower hooks with it and the curtain, and it just has little trucks on it with Christmas trees in the back. I think it actually has campers on it as well, so pretty cute, and he was all about it.
My winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
His reaction was priceless. He absolutely loved it. Who would have thought a shower curtain would make his day? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see all kinds of Christmas content, shop with me, decorate, where to get home decor, how to budget for Christmas, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. It really would mean so much to me. And give this video a like if you liked it. And also stay tuned for my Christmas home tour. There's a couple extra rooms that I didn't show in this, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.